Hi
Okay,
guys, this is
Assalamualaikum.
Pamit.
Dani. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, 6C. Today we're going to review your lesson for the midterm test. Okay, are you ready? Let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, now I want you all to mute yourself. Thank you. And what units are tested? 6C. It's unit 1 about which has the title is I am special. Okay, Nara is okay. Unit 2, short stories. Unit 3, a healthy diet. Unit 4, a healthy life. So you have 4 units in the test. Okay, unit 1. What is unit 1 about? Unit 1 is about past tenses review. What are they? Past simple, past continuous, and present perfect. And unit 2, what is unit 2 about? Unit 2 is about the first conditionals. Okay? If I stay up here, I will be safe. Unit 3. Unit 3 is about one, one's, other, others. And about each other, one another. Unit 4 is about both and as well as besides and so that in order to and so as to joining sentences together. All right, now let's go to unit 1. I am special. Okay, here in unit 1 the topic is past tenses. For being able to do the problems well, you have to look for clues. Look for the clues in each problem, yeah. uh for past simple, what are the clues? Yesterday, yeah. Last week, last year, last
Last night,
century, last
last night,
night, last Saturday. Okay, and one more, what is it? 3 days ago, 3 minutes ago, 5 years ago. Okay, so there are three clues
previous
for past
lesson.
simple. Yeah, for yeah, there are three clues. Yesterday, something with last, and something with ago. Okay, 6C. Now, past continuous. Past continuous is often used with past simple together with past simple to show the longer action. Okay, past continuous is the longer action, past simple is the shorter action. Okay, like this. I was painting a picture when the telephone rang. Had you finished painting the picture when the telephone rang? Not yet. You are still in the middle of painting the picture. Which one is the longer action? Painting the picture. Which one is the shorter action? The telephone rang. So it's like this. Painting, 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 painting. Suddenly, the phone rang. Right? Okay. What's the clue for past continuous? First, there may be two blanks in the problems, yeah, two blanks. And then there is when, while, or as in the sentence. Okay, when, while, or as in the sentence. Just like your lesson in grade 5, right? That's the clue for past continuous. Now, present perfect. Present perfect is to talk about the action that happened in the past, but you can still see the result right now. For example, my hair is wet. That is the result for I have just washed my hair, right? You can see that my hair is wet right now. That's the result of I have just washed my hair. Okay. Look, I have painted a picture. Here, see? This is the picture. It means that you can see the result right now. You can see the picture right now. Okay. And, oh, I'm very full. That is the result for I have eaten too much. Like that. Okay? 6C. Now, that's the first one. The second one, the clues for present perfect are since and for. Yeah, since 2013 for 7 years. Okay, we're talking about origin and duration. I have studied here since 2013. I have studied here for 7 years. That's present perfect. And the last clues for the present perfects are ever and never. So whenever you see ever or never in the sentence, the answer is most likely in the present perfect. Okay, 6C? I have never been to Europe. I have never seen the Eiffel Tower before. Okay, have you ever visited the Great Wall? For example, like that. Okay, 6C? Okay, now let's move on to the exercise. Oh, let's see who is here. Aaron. Aaron is here. Aaron, can you please do number one for us?
Okay. They they have played in the park when they saw me.
All right. So let's find the clues together, yeah, guys. 6C. What is the clue here? First, there are two blanks in the sentence, yeah, which requires the verb. And then, second, the clue is when. When you have when in the sentence, the answer is most likely in present, sorry, in past continuous and past simple. So which one is it, Aaron? Aaron.
Hello?
Aaron, you there? The answer is
See.
C. Yes. We're playing and saw. They were playing in the park when they saw me. Okay. Past continuous and past simple. Okay. Thank you, Aaron. Next, let's go to Zifa.
What time were you going to sleep last night?
All right. 6C. Let's underline the clues together. What is the clue, 6C?
Last night. Last night.
Last night. Something with
Oh,
last, right? Last night. It means that it's a time in the past. So, what do you use there?
past simple.
Past simple. Which one is the past simple? Did
Did
you go?
you go?
Yes, that's the past simple. Okay, good. Thank you, Zifa. Next, Danny. Number three.
My hair is wet. I open my answer. I have just washed it.
Yes, I have just washed it. What is the clue, guys? The clue is my hair is wet. That is the result of I have just washed my hair. You can see the result now. Okay? Thank you, Danny. Now, number four, Alisa.
Mm, she was playing tennis yesterday afternoon.
All right. Let's underline the clues together. 6C. What is the clue?
Yesterday,
Yesterday,
yes,
Yesterday afternoon. How long is afternoon? Afternoon is from 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. Can
half.
you be playing tennis the whole time?
no.
No,
No, that's too long, yeah. So it must be
half.
past simple with play. Okay.
Played.
Thank you, Alisa. Next, we know number five.
He was walking to school when it started.
When the rain started. What's the clue, Fino?
When?
The clue is when. Yes, that's right. It means that the answer must be in past continuous and past past simple. Yes, past continuous and past simple. He was walking to school when the rain started. Okay, thank you, Fino. Next, Arya Bima.
He is not responding.
Okay, Bima, just type in the answer, the letter only. Bima. Oh, he says D. Okay. Is it right? Yes, it is. Have you ever visited the Louvre in Paris? That's right. How do you know? The clue is ever. So the answer is most likely in present perfect. Thank you, Bima. Next, let's go to Faiz.
B.
I say the sentence, Faiz.
Oh, they have had the cat since it was born.
What is the clue, Faiz?
Since it was born.
Since. Yes, that's right. The clue is since. That's why the answer must be in present perfect. Yes, have had. Very good. Thank you, Faiz. Next, Gayatri. Number 8. Gayatri. Gayatri is not responding.
Hello?
Okay, Keisha then. Keisha Runaya.
While we were waiting, we heard a strange noise.
What is the clue, Keisha? The clue is
We.
while. Right?
While we.
While we were waiting, we heard a strange noise. That's right. Thank you, Keisha. Next, Nabila. The weather.
The weather hasn't been very good last week.
All right. What is the clue, Nabila?
Last week,
Last week. So the answer is in past simple. Right? So which one is it? Wasn't. Because there is no action in the sentence, you must use a to be, right? Very good. It's not an action, right? Yes. Okay, thank you, Nabila. Next, let's go to Nara. Okay, what
Miss
is
Arun, can
the
I go
clue,
to the
Nara?
toilet?
Yes, Sultan. What is the clue, Nara? The clue is look. Look, look, look. Someone has broken the window. That's the clue. Look. Yeah. When you saw the window this morning, it wasn't broken. But now you are very surprised to see that the window is broken. So you say, "Look, someone has broken the window," like that. Okay, 6C? Okay, thank you, Nara. Let's go to Fun Fun after this. Have you copied everything, 6C? Have you underlined the clues also?
Yes.
All right, let's go to Unit 2, short stories. First, conditionals with if in the condition clause and will future in the result clause. Okay, so there is a condition clause and there is a result clause. The condition clause is if I stay up here, it uses the present simple. And the result clause is I will be safe. It uses the will future. Okay. And there is also unless. Unless means if not. So unless is the opposite of if. When you use unless, it means that the condition does not support the result. The result is not the result of the condition that is met. Okay. Yeah. Wait. And there is also until. Until means that to express when an action stops or stopped. Okay. Let's go to the exercise and fun fun. Can you please do number 11?
Okay, Miss. If they don't play any video games today, they get a reward from their parents.
Almost fun fun. If they don't play any video games today, remember they blah 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 a reward from their parents is the result clause. The result clause must use
Will get.
yes, will future. So don't play and will get. Thank you, Fan Fan. Remember, present simple, if plus present simple plus will future. Okay? Go. Number 12. Who is it? Rifat.
If you follow all the rules, you won't get any consequences.
Yes. Present simple, will future. Again, yeah, if you follow all the rules, you won't get any consequences. Okay? Thank you, Rifat. Next, Sarah. Number 13. Sarah Nararia.
If he don't take his umbrella with him, he will get wet.
Almost, Sarah.
Oh,
The
if he
subject is
doesn't,
he.
if he doesn't take
Yes,
his umbrella with him, he will get wet.
that's right. If he doesn't, remember, he, she, it doesn't. Yeah, because the subject is a he, so you must use doesn't. Okay, if he doesn't take his umbrella with him, he will get wet. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Let's go to Salma. Salma.
Um, if I don't leave now, I will be late for school.
That's right, Salma. If I don't leave now, I will be late for school. Here you have to decide which answer makes the what is it the condition support the result, because you use if, right? So the condition must support the result because you use if. Okay, thank you, Salma. And next, Sultan. Are you there yet, Sultan? Oh, I think Sultan hasn't returned. Okay, Dafin. Dafin, are you there? Oh, okay, Dafin is not there.
Yeah, miss, I'm
Oh,
done. I
Sultan
have
is
to the
here.
toilet.
Okay, number 13. Number 15.
Number 15. Okay.
Yes.
Unless she blah 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 me letter. Unless she send me send
Okay,
and
the subject is
unless she, yeah,
mm-mm.
I won't even. Oh, unless
The
she
subject is
send me.
she, Sultan.
Oh,
She,
she
unless she sends.
sends. Oh yeah.
Yes. He, she, it sends. Yeah. Just like Sultan sends. Keisha sends. Salma sends. Yeah. Okay. Now here you have to find the answer that makes the condition does not support the result because you use unless. Right, Sixy? Yes. If you use sense, it makes the condition does not support the result. Okay, shall we go on? Number
Yes.
16. Let's go to Daphne. Is Daphne back yet? All right, let's go to Zaki then. Oh, Daphne answered with B. Okay. Unless the weather is nice tomorrow, we won't have a picnic. Is that right? Yes, excellent, Daphne. Because uh, the you use unless, it means that the condition does not support the result. It unless the weather is nice tomorrow, we won't have a picnic. Okay, good. Thank you, Daphne. Next, Zaki. Zaki, you there? Okay, Zaki is not
Wait, wait,
responding. Let's go.
wait,
Oh,
wait.
okay. Number 17. Zaki. Okay, C. Zaki answers with C. If my boss fire me, I won't have to find a wait. If your boss fires you, it means that you will have to look for a new job, right? So the answer is
Right.
C. D, sorry. So you need to find the answer that makes the condition support the result. And because my boss is a he or a she, then you must use s, s after the word fire. Fires, like that. If my boss fires me. Okay, 6C. Thank you, Zaki. Now let's go back to Aaron. Is Aaron here? Aaron. Aaron is not responding. Let's go to Zifa there. Zifa. Zifa. Ziva is okay. Number 18, Ziva. Ziva. All right. Danny, let's go on to Danny then. Danny.
Bismillah. If I have to listen of to more of that loud music, I have an headache.
Yes, that's right. Because the conditions support the result. So the answer is if. Very good. Thank you, Danny. And then Alisa. Alisa Rizkifa. Okay, number 19.
Mm, if
Hmm?
she arrives if she arrives on time, the teacher will be angry.
All right. If she arrives on time, will the teacher be
Unless
angry?
unless
Will the teacher be angry? Angry? No, right,
No.
Alisa? So
hmm,
the answer, what is the answer, Alisa?
B. Yeah.
Unless. Yes, unless she arrives on time, the teacher will be angry. Okay, thank you, Alisa. Next, Vino. Vino.
Unless, unless,
Okay,
unless,
has she apologized yet?
no.
I think she has. Because does her brother want to talk to her now? Yes, her brother wants to talk to her now because she has apologized. So it was in the past. Because of that, you use until. Until she finally apologized. No, it's not responding. Okay. Until mm, until she finally apologized, her brother didn't want to talk to her. Yes, it was in the past. So he finally wants to talk to her. She stopped not talking to her when she apologized in the past. Okay, 60. Now, do you have questions so far, 60? No?
No, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Okay,
No.
let's go to Unit 3 then. Unit 3 is still very fresh in your memory, right? Because it was in your daily test too. Okay, let's go to Bima. Bima, number 21. Bima, you there? Bima says D. It's his best book, though we wrote many others. Yes, more than one. Okay, thank you, Bima. Next, Pais.
Other,
Are there other trains coming soon? Yes, that's right. You cannot say others, yeah? Why? Because after the blank, there is a noun.
because there
You
is
cannot say, are there others trains? No, that's a no, no. So the answer is other. Okay, thank you,
Too many
Faiz.
S's.
Uh, Number 23, Gayatri. Number 3 with Gayatri. A, can you see those boys? Fatih is the tall one and Farhan is the short one. Yes, there is only one Fatih and there is only one Farhan. Okay, thank you, Gayatri. Next, let's go to Kesha Runaya.
Some holidays are cheap, others are expensive.
Yes, others are expensive. Others means other holidays, more than one. Okay, thank you, Kesha. Next, number 25, Nabila Kalyani. Nabila, Nabila, are you there? She's not
Come.
responding. Okay,
My
yeah,
glasses
she's
are
here.
broken. I need a new one.
Okay, please remember that glasses always come in pairs. Just like shoes, just like socks, just like pants, just like trousers. Yeah. So the answer is
One.
once. Yes.
Pura.
Okay. Thank you, Nabila. Because they always come in pairs. Okay. Next, Nara.
Wow. C.
See one another. Yes, you have a lot of neighbors, right? Neighbors beside you, next to you, and in front of you, and so
Behind
many.
you.
Behind you, yes, that's right. Okay, let's go to number 27 with Refano. Thank you, Nanda. Fan,
Yes.
number 27.
My brother and I help each other in our homework.
Yes, help each other. There are only two people, my brother and I. Okay, good. Thank you, Fan. Next, Rifat. Let's go to Rifat. Number 28. Rifat, yes.
The triplets always understand one another.
One another, why?
I don't know.
Triplets means there are three identical siblings, right? Three identical people. Okay. If it's twins, it means that there are two. If it's quadruplets, it means that there are four. If what about quintuplets? Five. Twins, triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets. Okay, 6C. Okay, thank you, Rifat. Next, let's go to after Rifat, there is Sarah. Sarah Nararia.
Mm, Jihan, han, Jihan has a sister who lives in Bandung. They visit each other twice a month.
Yes, they visit each other twice a month. There are only two people, Jihan and her sister. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Next, Salma,
The
number
books,
30.
the books were placed neatly on top of one another.
On top of one another. That's right. Okay, if you're not so sure about the number of people or things involved in the action, you can just say one another. Okay, but if you are sure that there are only two, you use each other. Okay, Sixy. Thank you, Salma. Next, let's go to Unit 4. Both and besides as well as. Sultan, can you please do number 31? Sultan. Yes, number 31, please.
Existing langsung.
Uh, uh, I cannot. Uh, I don't know. Both and I guess. Besides, also,
Besides also, yes, after the blank, after the first blank, there is a verb ing. Then the answer must be besides. Because besides can be followed by a verb ing or the first difference. Okay, Sultan? Yeah, 6C. The answer is besides. Besides visiting Lawang Sewu, he also bought some Semarang's most famous fried dumplings. Okay, and the other clue is the comma. The only one that uses a comma is besides. Okay, 6C. Thank you, Sultan. Let's go to Dafin. Dafin answer with C. The magician made. Wait, both is always with. Yes, Aaron, you can go. Both is always with and. Okay, if you have used both, you don't need as well as. Okay, because both and as well as they don't mix. Okay, but Dafin. So the answer is A. Uh, the magician made both the rabbit disappear and a tiger appear at the same time. Okay, thank you, Dafin. Next, let's go to Zaki. Zaki Prawira Bayu, ZPB. A, okay. Uh, when you join sentences together like this, you have to find for the differences first. The first difference is a fever. The second difference is a headache. So when you use besides, what do you put after the what is it? The first difference? What do you put after the first difference? What do you put after besides? You put the first difference. Okay. So you say besides a fever, Ulfa also had a headache. Why is A wrong? Because A has too many last nights. So to make A correct, you have to cross out last night. Yeah. What about C? C is also too long. You have to cross out this. Wait. I cannot return it to the. Okay. So the answer is B, yeah, guys.
B.
So you only add the first difference after besides, and then the comma. Okay, 6C. Now let's move on to number 34. Okay, is Aaron here yet? Has he returned? I think
No.
he hasn't yet. Okay, let's go to Zifa then. Zifa? Zifa, you there?
She's not responding, Miss.
All right, Danny then.
Okay. Putra can Putra can both and play the piano beautifully.
Putra can both paint and play the piano beautifully. Yes, when you use both and, you put both before the paint and you put "and" between the first difference and the second difference. Okay, like this. Okay, 60. Now number
Okay.
35. Thank you,
Okay,
Danny.
miss.
Alisa, can you find the differences? The differences are time and money. Alisa, the repair.
Up.
Yes, Alisa. See, the repair took a lot of time as well as money. Is that right, 60? Yes, that's right. Okay, you put "as well as" between the first difference and the second difference. Okay, thank you, Alisa. The answer is C. Okay, 60. Now let's move on. Have you copied everything?
Yes.
Okay. Next, so that in order
Next.
to, so as to. This is the
Like,
easiest one.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to let's go to Fino.
one,
In order,
one.
in order,
You say the sentence, Fino.
I'm trying to drink 8 glasses of water a day in order to improve my digestion.
Digestion. Yes, that's right. In order to, because we don't have a subject after the blank. No subject after the blank. So the answer must be "in order to" or "so as to." Because we don't have "so as to," so the answer must be "in order to." Okay, thank you, Vino. Next, Bima.
He also not responding.
He only wants to type.
Microphone is broken.
Bima,
Bima
answers
bouncing,
B.
bouncing, bouncing.
Is that right? Yes. Why is the answer B? Because after the blank, there is a subject, which is
He.
he, right? Ah,
Right.
after the blank, you can see that there is a full sentence from the subject until the end. So the answer must be "so that." You cannot answer that with "in order to" or "so as to." Okay, thank you, Bima. Next, let's go to Faiz.
C.
Ah, say the sentence, Faiz.
Okay.
I think it's look like echo.
He stopped taking the elevator so as to get some exercise by going up the stairs.
Yeah, so as to get. That's right. So as to get. So as to get some exercise by going up the stairs. Okay, why is A wrong? A is wrong. Because we have to skip "he can." B is wrong because we have to skip "he can." And D is wrong because we have to say the whole sentence after "so that." Okay, thank you, Faiz. Number 39. Gayatri. 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 Oh, she's not responding. Keisha then. Keisha Runaya.
She has to go on a diet so that she can fit in her wedding dress.
That's right. So that she can fit in her wedding dress. Okay, just like number 38. You have to skip "she can" to make A correct. and skip can to make C correct, and skip can to make D correct. Okay, thank you, Keisha. And let's go to Nabila for the last number.
Sarah stopped consuming soda in order to in order in
Two.
order to be healthier.
Yes, in order to be healthier. That's right. To make A correct, you have to say the whole sentence after saw that. And to make B correct, you have to skip she can. And to make D correct, you have to skip she can. Right? Okay, that's it. 6C. Have you copied everything? Yes. All right.
Yes, Miss.
Thank you so much for your participation, 6C. Good luck on your test. There will be 35 numbers, all multiple choice problems. And it's on Tuesday. On Tuesday, yeah. And you have 1 hour for the test. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
So please keep in your mind that multiple choices problems are not the ones that you should be underestimated uh, for.
Estimated.
Do not underestimate what is it? Multiple choice problems, because once you're wrong, you won't get any scores for that number. Okay, 60?
Okay.
You can you can study from this
Okay.
review, and you can also study from all the materials and the videos that I have posted in the classwork.
Okay.
Okay, good luck for your midterm test. If you have any questions, you can contact me at my WhatsApp. Okay, 60? That's it for today. Thank you so
Okay,
much for
Miss.
participating. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
La sehamdalah. Alhamdulillah
Alhamdulillah.
Ayo, Rabbil
Birobbil
Alamin.
alamin.
Bye, Miss. See you on
Bye.
Tuesday.